Hari Om. Let's start with the prayer. Om Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhusya Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidyata Vidam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Gurudeva Deva. Hari Om. We're doing the question and answer sessions, and today the question people ask is, why do we worry so much? A lot of people worry so much to the degree that they become inefficient in their actions. And some say, if I don't worry, who is going to worry about it? I'm worried about this, I'm worried about that, I'm worried about my children, about my future, I'm worried about what happened. So, why so much of worries? So there are three avenues in which one worries about. Number one, about the regrets of the past. Oh, I should not have done this, I could not have done it, I would have not have done it. All those things about could have, would have, should have, and whatever that is done past, there is nothing you can do about it. There is no, you cannot control past. Past is gone, dead and gone. And therefore, but still people worry about the consequence of those actions that will come in the future. So worrying about the past, about the regrets about the past, I should not have done it. And the second avenue of worry is about the excitement about the present. I don't have so many things to do. I need to do this, I need to do this, I start doing this, and I remember another one and I stop that and do the other one. Neither this one will be completed nor that one will be completed. So there is no proper plan. He's continuously working, but no work, concrete work is being done, and that happens because excitement of that I have to do so many things and not properly planning. And the third worry is about the future. What's going to happen in future, about the results of the past, that is going to come in the future. I don't know whether I'm going to succeed or not. I did, but I don't know whether it will happen or not. So worrying about the results of the actions that are done in the past or in the present, and worrying about the future is favorable to what I want or things that may not come the way I want. So this is all the worries, all the time people worry. One, we should be careful. One is, worry is different from concern. I should be concerned about what needs to be done. So if I want something, that's concerned, so what should I do? I have to plan properly. This is the one that I am concerned. I'm concerned about the future of my children. So what I'm going to do? I have to do my part, my best to make sure that the avenues for their growth is important and the future is also guaranteed. So put proper amount of money they need for education, and meanwhile concentrate on the present so that they can be a better students in the future or better citizens in the future. So I had to make a plan, so concrete plan, plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. These are all result of concern. I should be concerned of a lot of things that I am responsible, where see, this is my responsibility, I think, depending upon the ashram. As a father, I should be concerned about my children. As a husband, I should be concerned about my wife, whether it's a security or in terms of the safety or health and so on and so forth. And what need to be is plan things that you have to do it. That's called niyatam kuru. Your obligatory duties have to be done. For that you need a proper planning. That's why in even in science and management, first thing is time management, because there are so many things that need to be done, but you have to, only so much time you have. So you have to allot properly what you have to do it, what you can delegate it. And all these things are proper, intelligent way of looking. That's because you are concerned. So concern is different from worry. Worry dissipates the mind's energy, and you become inefficient in the process. Even though things that you can do, you won't be able to do because the mind is getting dissipated because of the concern about the future, about the past, or about the present. So when Krishna says karmani eva adhikaraste, you have only choice in the action, and when you are doing properly, you have to do, we will discuss later, yajñartham kuru anyatra lokoyam karma bandhana. Properly do as a yajna, means as a offering to the Lord as the best. So that is what has to be done in the present. Present alone you can act, present alone you can live, present alone you can perform, and worrying about is mostly about the future and the past, and present worries can be removed by proper planning. It's called time management, where you can concentrate on one at a time, and all other dissipating things are removed, and when you are focusing your mind only one aspect, that comes with the training. So people unnecessarily worry because of not able to control their mind properly. So there is a prayer of serenity. I'm sure a lot of people heard it. If you Google it, you will find out. The prayer of serenity is, "Oh Lord, please help me to do what I can do." So things that I can do, I had to do. Things I cannot do, I should not worry about it, because I cannot do anyway. By worrying also you cannot do anything. And I need to have a wisdom to know what is that which is in my control and which is not in my control. Please Lord, give me the wisdom to know the difference. This is a prayer, famous prayer of serenity. I mean, that's the main first few three lines. There's another paragraph of that. That helps you to recognize what is the problem and surrendering to the higher authority, because the results are framed by the Lord, because I have no control on the results. So what I have control is on the action. So that's what the prayer of serenity says. Please give me the strength to do what I can. What I can do is only execute action, because I'm not omnipotent to dictate the results. So not to worry about the results, but plan for the results and perform an action that can secure the results that you can. But whether you get secured result or not, that's not in your control. So the prayer helps to mind clear off unnecessarily agitations in the mind, so that the mind is available for the action in the present. So why one should worry? One should not be worried about it, but at the same time, what one should do is be concerned about what needs to be done for a given situation, so that one can act, because life involves action, and life is always action, and one has to act properly so that what is the right action. And otherwise, if you don't know what is the right action, get the help from the elders or from the teachers. That is the best way to act and not to worry. With that we stop. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.